Today we're gonna make pasta e ceci. That is a comforting and humble meal that we make in Italy all the time. And we're gonna follow my nonna's recipe, and it's only made in 20 minutes. We're gonna start by preparing the base. I sliced 1 carrot for the recipe and 1 to eat it this way. I mean, while I'm filming, it's essential for me to have a snack. Usually in Italy they put tomato paste or tomato sauce, but to be honest, my nonna's recipe is without, and I prefer it like that. And she used to put rosemary and sage, and I think for this recipe they are essential. So when the veggies are nice and soft, we're gonna add the vegetable broth. We're gonna add the chickpeas now, and to make it extra creamy, we're gonna blend it a little with immersion blender. Now all is left is to add our favorite pasta. I'm gonna use this one, and I think it's my favorite one for pasta e ceci, but you can also use broken spaghetti, it's allowed, and it's amazing. If you follow this recipe, let me know what you think, because for me this is the best pasta e ceci. Well, thanks everyone for sharing your time with me today, and see you next time. Ciao ciao!